Alright, so today I'm going to make this I'm going to make this blonde bob using this two 12s. I think this is actually, yeah, there's two 14s and a 14-inch closure. Alright, look how soft and silky it is. Alright, anyway, and here you go. Alright, we shall see. So right now I'm just going to measure the closure, and I believe I have it centered up. So this is a 4x4 closure. And I like these little ones with the balls on it better because it doesn't get stuck in the middle. If you watch other YouTube videos, you'll see that they say to put it down a little bit. But actually, I don't want to put it too much because it's not a closure. It's not a frontal, it's a closure. This is like the worst friggin' head ever, okay? Almost have to use this in the bar. Now, this has to be like stupid tight. And that's when you have like the second person to hold it down. Comes in handy. Alright. Now, being that I'm doing this on a sewing machine, pardon my parents. Today is wash day, so I'm gonna wash my hair. I hope y'all had a fabulous, fabulous, fabulous weekend, week, all that good stuff. Because I was beat. Tired. Alright, so what I'm doing now, I just want to make sure before I do that my closure is even, which is not. Alright. Alright, so right now I'm just going to measure off. Oh, really, because my head is in the goddamn way. Alright, so now that I did this, sorry, I just want to make sure I'm straight. That might be a little too small. I'm going to have to come up on that one. It's a little jacked up there, but let me fix it actually while I'm here. There we go. Just marking that way I know that's not my line that I have to follow, because we don't want any troubles. Pretty much about an inch apart from each. Alright, let's do this. Okay, so I fixed the problem. The damn bobbin wasn't connecting. Alright. Whew. That was a simple fix. Thank gosh. Thought I ran out of thread. I'm gonna have to get some more thread and actually get like a different type of thread. This thread is okay. I mean, it's good, but I want a different type of thread. So I'm gonna go to the store later and see if I can find some thread. Alright, back to work. There's some hair stuck in there, but I'll pull it out if I need to. Even though I don't want it right there. Hold on. Come on. Alright. Stay here. Come on, get out of my way. This damn hair everywhere. Alright. Alright. And stitch this up until all the top thread is gone. Way to go. Oh, and I use length 4, and my stitch is a zigzag stitch. Okay. Not bad at all. Cranking out this joint, boy. Cranking it out. And it's, oh my God, it's so much better on your goddamn neck and your shoulders. And you don't have to keep threading needles. Oh my gosh, that is the worst. And then you have to thread like 50 needles at once. Alright, I'm gonna make sure I get it on my line. Shit. You know what? goddamn thread. I just lost my thread. I just lost my goddamn thread. Here it is. Not where it's supposed to be. But lucky I know how to thread this thing really quickly, I hope. Alright, I'll be back. Hey. Alright, so now I'm going to do my first track on the sewing machine. But guess what? I ran out of damn thread threading the bobbin. Alright, so I didn't film that, but I'm going to do a video about doing that once I get like the real hang of it. And I'll make sure I'm going to take each track out if it don't look right and redo it again, because I'm not giving away or selling this wig and it looks jacked up. Because I don't do jacked up. Don't mind how I look. I look better in person. Anyway, so here we go. So, taking this first track and placing it close to the edge. Maybe not exactly on the edge, but close to the edge. And I'm clamping down. And it's good to pull enough string out, that way it doesn't get jammed, because I was having hella trouble with the damn thing jamming. Alright, so let me get my line straight. That'll be nice. Alright. See, this is what happens. Alright, here we go. So first track is done. That was extremely fast considering that you take like 5 minutes to sew a track. I'm knocking this bad boy out for good. And I don't have much thread left, so I'm gonna have to actually go. And as you can see, here goes the track. And I go back and forth about 2 or 3 times on the ends, just to make sure that they are completely secure. This whole sewing machine method, if you know how to use a sewing machine already, it comes fairly natural, I would say, but it does take practice, because you got to make sure, especially once you get to the top, you got to make sure everything is flat, everything looks flat, everything is straight, all right. Cut off any extra threads. You could do it now or before. I try to do it now, because when you got all that hair in the way, it gets a little bit much. Alright, on to track 2. Look at that. Now before I was pinning the track to the actual cap, but this one I can see a little bit better than the darker one. Well, I should say black. It's not darker, it's really black. Alright, here we go. And as I said, don't pull on it, just straighten it. So that's what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm gonna need more thread. Alright, so that was track 2. I feel I want to go over it one more time. one more time. Just in case. I don't want no smoke. And sometimes it gets jammed. Just use the little handrail on the side, if you can sense how I'm twisting, to pull it all the way up. And then hopefully it'll unjam. But oh my gosh, I had the worst experience with the goddamn sewing machine. And I thought, I was like, I know it's not me. I'm doing everything. I know how to sew. I'm fucking, excuse me. I did the damn thing exactly the way they said to do it on YouTube. And it still would not work. Alright, so far so good. Now, it doesn't look like anything bunched up, so that's a good thing. Because I do not want to sit there and take it off. All right, let me make sure. I think I got about 2 more tracks left on this thread. And I wanted to keep the thread the same color, like this. But I have some other yellow thread, and we'll see. I should have done that one in the back, but I might have to go outside anyway and get some hair dye. All right. I can't believe it's been 6 minutes and I've done 3 tracks. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? Oh my gosh. Once you go sewing machine, you do not go back. And I dreaded sewing this. All right. By hand. Uh-oh. All right, now let me get it back aligned. All right, that looks secure. Now I'm not pulling, I'm just flattening, okay? Just to not pull. And it does look like it gets jumbled, and it damn sure does. Just try to keep everything as centered as you can. Sometimes you get hair stuck in there, but that's alright. There's also a cutter, this thing right here, but I dread that I'm gonna cut the hair, so I don't use it. Whoa! Alright, that looks secure. Yeah, you have to go over it like 2 or 3 times. You like have to. Alright. Let's try track number 4, and then I will leave you guys alone. Let me cut this shit off. What the hell am I doing? Anyway, so this is part of the Couture Bob collection. So I'm not going to tell you guys what kind of color I'm going to do, but it's going to be really, really hot. Now, if you have any suggestions, let me know too. Whatever colors you would like to see. But I'm thinking something, of course, with pink. Love pink. Oh, yeah, sorry. I got like a mean... I hit my head, and then I got like a mean suntan when I went away. So it's all jacked up. And I lost my goddamn makeup. My NARS Foundation Tinted Moisturizer is the truth. Gotta ask Sephora. Just because I have a Sephora account, so it adds points and then you get other good stuff with it. Alright. Let's do this. Only thing, because this here curves. Do it like that. The farther up you go, I notice the trickier it gets. But that's okay. This is thread. I'm a fucking human. I got this. It's just hair. It's just hair. Uh-oh. See? Gets stuck. And all hell breaks loose. Alright. There we go. I hope this shit is actually alright. And not doing that stupid bunch up stuff, because I would be highly upset. Oh, it's not even sewing? Am I running out of thread? What the fuck is going on? Alright, stay tuned. Alright, so now my setup is real janky over here because I'll take a picture if I remember and show you. Anyway, alright, we're on to the next. This is not like the black thread. Make sure my thread is still in there. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to measure out the remaining of my tracks. I've only had 2 tracks in closure because I might want to double up a track because I just did a wig and I actually only used like 1 fucking track and a half. But the hair was anyway trash. I'll tell you all about that later. I was testing here, so... Oh yeah, my nails are trash, but I'm about to fix them. Oh yeah, all right. Okay, so I'm cutting the track. Oh my gosh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you freaking kidding me? So I have 1, 2, 3. Oh, you can't see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, 8. I have 8 tracks left. I just did 5. I can't believe it. This is like the truth. Where has this been all my life? All right. So, as long as it fits the head, and I'm gonna put an elastic band on it too, just to give it added support. Everybody loves their support, right? Oh my gosh. Oh my God, I need to like look. And then can you tell that I have the wig on and now I have a line of demarcation, literally? Yeah, it's crazy. So, thank gosh the camera only goes up here. All right, guys, so I think I got 1 more track left of thread. I'm just gonna go for it. Just do it. Just do it. I think these tracks are a little bit too close, but if it is, I'll just take it out and redo it. All right, I'm not wasting thread over here. Thread is valuable around these parts. Very, very valuable. Alright. Shit. See? Goddamn thread came out again. Alright. This should take, like... This is what I don't want to put on camera because it's very annoying to do this. And maybe I'm not doing it in the most effective way. Alright, I'll come back. Alright, I did it. Alright, let's do this. Yo, what the fuck? Oh my god. You know how I learned how to use chopsticks? I was hungry. That's it. I bitch was hungry. So I figured out how to use these damn chopsticks. Because I said this is the only way I'm able to eat. So in life, I guess when you put your back up against the wall and you only got one way to figure something out, you just do it. You do it. You put all fear aside and you just do it. So that's my little words of wisdom for today. Hey. Alright. Let me stop messing around with y'all and just do this damn wig. And I don't even really think, like, soon enough y'all get to know me. Soon enough y'all will get to know me. But just right now, I want y'all to get to know my skill. Hey. Alright, now. Alright, let's hope we got enough. What happened? Something jammed. This jamming shit. That's the only annoying part about the sewing machine is that the damn thing can jam. Alright. Now this video is just going to be about sewing on the sewing machine. Shit. That was my stand. I told you I had this bootleg setup thing going. Alright, so you get the picture. I'll come back. Hold on. So I just realized that I did this long ass video and this is not the best camera angle, but I just wanted to actually, maybe this is my introductory video. And then you can just see afterwards. But I will do a video about like sewing. So oh, there goes my thread. It's a wrap. It's a wrap, Reynolds. All right. Okay. Well, this was not bad at all. I got through all of this. Oh, I have to redo the stitch. This whole thing is jacked up. I'll redo it. Anyway, sorry, I paused. Okay, well, here. So far, so good. All right. Yeah, if I figured I used the white one, I mean, underneath you'll get to see it. I don't know if that's good or bad, but as long as you can't see it outside. The white I couldn't see. I'm blind. There were glasses. I need to actually see. I'm going to try to do it on the white though, but for now. Put my marker on it. Alright guys, so I'll come back and I'll show you, oh gosh. I'll come back and I'll show you exactly what the wig looks like. And then again, I want to hear what you want me to color because I'm going to do it either today or tomorrow. So hurry up and let me know. Alright, deuces.